Hi, I'm Miss Allen, and I'm going to teach you everything you're going to need to know to start playing the flute. So let's go. 3 different parts of the flute. We have the head joint, the body, and then the foot joint. We're going to start with the head joint. So the flute is sort of mysterious in that we make sound on it without actually blowing air into it. We're blowing air sort of across it. It's kind of like the sound you would make if you blew across a bottle. So if you've ever done that, you might be able to do this. Start off by holding your head joint in your right hand like a pencil. You can stabilize it with your left hand here. So when you look at this lip plate and this tone hole, you're going to put your lip right at that curve, just like this. I like to tell my students to feel for it with their lip and to try to get it right in the middle. Once you've got it right in the middle, you're going to relax your lips like a pout. Then we're going to say the syllable poo. See that condensation right there? That's a great sign. If you have that condensation, that means your air is going in the right spot. If you're not getting that exact sound, it might be because your lip is too far over to the left or to the right. Or you could actually be covering the hole with your lip. So be careful not to do that. Now we're going to take a deep belly breath and blow a steady stream of air when we say the syllable poo. Now over the head joint. Now if you've made that sound, you're going to make a great sound when you put the flute together. Speaking of, let's go. If you like videos like this and want to see more like them, hit that subscribe button. So when we put the flute together, let's start with the head joint and the body of the flute. Both ends of the body have holes in them, but we're going to look for the one that has the 2 rings here. And that's the one that the head joint goes in. You have to make sure that the tone hole lines up with all of these keys. We're going to look down the line of our keys and line up our tone hole. Now we're going to add the foot joint. The foot joint has a larger opening and a smaller opening. The larger opening attaches to the body. We're going to slide it on and give it a little twist. Then we're going to line up this rod on the foot joint down the middle of the keys of the body. And we have our flute put together. Now here's the tricky part about the flute, how to hold it. You're going to start with your head joint resting on your left shoulder. So we're going to hold the part that is closest to the head joint with our left hand, and we're going to hold the part that is closest to the foot joint with our right hand. Now let's take a look at these individual keys. There's a lot of them here. Our thumb on our left hand can't just hang out back here. It's actually got keys that it controls. There are 2 keys right here, and it's going to go right here on this long key for now. With our left hand, we're going to skip the first key, put our pointer finger down on the second key, skip the third key, and put our middle finger down on the 4th key and our ring finger down on the 5th key. This is a lot to remember. I like to think of it as no, yes, yes. Or you can use the saying, New York, Yankees. No, yes, yes. Now with our right hand, you're going to place your thumb right about here. It's in between these 2 keys. We're going to start off by actually putting our pinky on this key that is on the foot joint. Then we're going to take these 3 fingers, our pointer, our middle, and our ring finger, and put them on the 3 keys closest to the foot joint. Just like that. This can get really frustrating sometimes. So you can actually put little stickers on the keys you're actually supposed to use. I've even put little dots of nail polish on some of my flutes to help kids remember. Just know that you will get better at it and you're going to memorize it much quicker than you think. Now let's talk about how we're going to play our first note. You're going to press down that thumb key on the back, all the keys on your left hand, our first finger on our right hand, and our pinky on our right hand. That's going to be the note F. Now when we go to play, You're going to sit up nice, straight, and tall, and you're going to bring the flute to you. You don't ever want to bend over and go to the flute. Find that spot in the middle and say the syllable poo. Now that we've made that sound, let's take it to the next level. And now we're going to not only use our air, we're going to use our tongue inside of our mouth, and we're going to say the syllable to. Before we were just using air, saying poo. Now we're going to say to while we blow that air. If it doesn't sound exactly like that, it could be the direction your air is going in. Try aiming your air right here at your elbow. That way you'll get a great consistent sound. When I started playing the flute, it took me 2 weeks to get a sound out of it. 2 weeks! You may have to watch this video a few times to remember exactly how to do it all. If you can't make a sound immediately, don't worry. I know you can do it. Just do your best. Your best is always better than you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.